This is what I love. Different combinations for different purposes. Welcome back to EBT Performance Pakenham, the home of Squid Speed Shop. Today, I've got another big ball kit, but there's a big difference, so hang on. We're running the CR480MT, 480MT, which is perfect for this CVO Ultra Glide. Because I'm always doing big ball kits, what I'm gonna do is pretty much skip to the good stuff. I'll show you what parts are going in the bike, so then you guys know the combination. Then I'm gonna run it up on the dyno, and we'll see how much power it makes. So I won't bore you with the teardown and the install. Go back and watch one of my previous videos where I get into great detail about what I do, how I do it. Check out the Squid Speed Shop Stage 4. That's the one, boys. Go check that video out. 170 horsepower from a Stage 4. You're going to want it. You need it. So go check out that video. In the meantime, I'll start pulling this down and I'll head over to showing you guys the parts. All right, guys, I'm interrupting this week's episode. It's an ad. I've got to promote myself, don't I? But we'll get back to it in a minute. Come on down. Get yourself some merch. It's available in store. If you're overseas, shoot me an email at info@ebtpakenham.com.au. We'll be able to sort something out. I've got both of the t-shirts back in stock. The beanies, the crew necks are on their way. And there's a couple other secret things in the pipeline. Going to be ready for summer. You're not going to want to miss them. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Share it with your buddies. It only takes you a second and helps me out tremendously. I really appreciate all you guys watching. So let's get back to cranking out another high horsepower build. Let's get to it. Let's do the down and dirty, run through the parts. We're starting off with the 132 kit from S&S. Now this is the granite finish to match the engine. Another reason why I love S&S. Compensator. I've got springs for the clutch as well. We're running the 55mm premium CNC manifold from S&S. Because of the age of the bike, it had never had the updated oil pump, so this is a current generation stock oil pump for the Harley M8. Main difference is the amount of lobes on the rotors and the steel on this backing plate. And then just a couple more S&S goodies, push rods, tappet cuffs. We're running the 6.2mm injectors from Rolly's Speed Shop. And then one of my favourite touring cams, and probably my favourite Cyclorama cam for the M8s. It's a Cyclorama 480MT. The Cyclorama 480MT is one of my favourite cams for touring setups. 2-up touring, fantastic. So this combination is typically what I put in the Tourers. For all of the Softail stuff, I run pretty much the same thing, but I run the S&S 475 in it. Next time you see me, parts will be in the bike. We'll get it on the dyno. How much power is it going to make? But more importantly, how much early torque is this thing going to make? That's what this cam's all about. So I've got this beautiful rig on the dyno ready to go. I'm going to start going through the runs, logging the data, making my adjustments, and we'll see just how much power this Cyclorama 480MT makes with an S&S 132 kit and a 55mm premium CNC manifold. Let's get to it. So we're just finishing up the tune on this unassuming CVO. Boys, if you're ever asking for overtaking power, this is it. The bike's reasonably quiet. It's got Screaming Eagle slip-ons, so that doesn't help the top end of this bike. And the cam is definitely geared more towards early on torque, so Check this out. Have a look at that, guys. 159 foot-pound right out the gate. This thing is insane. We're only making 126 horsepower, but that is not what this build is about. This build is about overtaking power, cruising, and having all of your power there when you wrap on the throttle. We start out nearly 160, carries super strong all the way. And then it's only really around the 4.5 mark that we start to dip. And that's the Screaming Eagle slip-ons right there. Just holding it back just a hair. But still, this is perfect. This is exactly what the customer was asking for. Overtaking power. They don't get many graphs like that. This is the perfect touring combo. It's not super extreme. So it's still pretty good on fuel. Perfect for 2-up, heavy laden. Got all the torque in the world to get you where you need to be. This is what I love. Different combinations for different purposes, and you can get these things done when you're not concerned about the horsepower figure. Because this thing is a killer. The area under the graph is insane, and that is what it's all about. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I love going back and forth in the comments with yous. Come into the store, grab yourself some merch. So if you're overseas, send me an email, info@ebtpakenham.com.au. We can organise something. I'll ship them out to you. We'll sort it out. Don't worry about it. Just remember that the prices I tell you is Australian dollars. That's monopoly money to you guys. So just get it done, yeah? Make sure you check out the social media pages, the Instagram, the Facebook. There's always a little bit of something going on there. And until next week, Uru.